to Perfect Women with me, Dr. Kushi Gurubai Thakkar, editor and publisher. All set to go live with my beautiful Perfect Women, Pratima Bhati. Talking about this wonderful personality, she is the founder of We Migrate, a personality who has been taking care for the when it comes to migration. She has been empowered many women with scholarships. So the beautiful personality is all set to be joining with me, and let me send a request to her. Pratima ji, I have just sent a request to you. Kindly accept and join in the room. Organization. It takes a lot of courage when it comes to choosing a profession, and she has been doing in guiding people. Hi Renu, how are you? It's been a long time. I feel V is unable to join. Okay. Hmm. Let my team take care of it. Hello Kushiji. Thank you so much. Take care. A very happy new year. Oh, my sweetheart, you are a part of Perfect Woman. I don't feel like you need any. Sure. Yes, of course, it has been a long time, very pretty long time. Yes. But we'll join up very soon. I'm coming up with multiple activities and I'm just working on some certain projects. So,
Hello, ma'am.
hello, hello, and Pratima ji, welcome to Perfect Woman.
Thank you, ma'am.
Gorgeous.
Thank you. I'm so sorry there were some technical issues because I was following in another page that you had. I thought we'll be live there. I'm so sorry for the delay.
No, it's okay. All the pages are same. It's all about your love that you have been sharing.
Yes.
And I was just actually going through your profile. I found it very interesting. You have been doing very great jobs. It is actually nerve-wracking, I should say, because selecting a profession itself takes a lot of courage. Can you just introduce yourself a little bit to all the people who
Sure,
are
ma'am.
watching you right away?
Of course, of course. First of all, I would thank you for giving such a great platform. Even you are doing wonders to, promote women like us, and our work is getting recognition. So I congratulate you first for the achievement that you've been doing. Seriously,
Thank you. Thank you.
because many women are doing so many things, but then they don't get this recognition. So for us,
I believe this is network glitch. We just lost her.
yeah,
We just missed you.
yeah, yeah.
It's okay. I
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So, my name is Pratima Bhati, and I hail from Pune city. And we have a firm which is known as We Migrate Immigration Firm. It is situated in Pune. So, we basically work on two sectors. We send candidates abroad on a work permit as well as on study visa. So we have just identified the key focus areas of women, of girls, of course. They need help in so many sectors today. So one of the most important factor that we have recognized and we are working is the quality education.
right.
For me, education is the first. If you're educated, if your child, a son or whatever, it is very important to take care of the family today. So we are working on one of the most elite project of ours is educating higher education to a girl child. Of course, we also take boys in this, but then my majorly focus is to promote girls' education. So we are sending them abroad on higher studies for their bachelor's or master's under 100% tuition fees free program.
Nice.
They are not supposed to pay any tuition fees. They are not supposed to pay any college fees. They are also paid for their living cost. So this is not aware to most of the girls in our country, and they still think that you need a lot of money to go abroad and have an education, wherein it is just not true. You need nothing. Go to abroad and do your further education. If you're a woman, if you're a girl, you are having a dream that you want to go abroad and study. Nothing is coming on your way. Neither the finances are coming much on your way. So
Wow,
that's the
that's
thing.
wow.
Is one of the sector we are working, and also for the women who have already educated, but then they are not getting good jobs here. They are not getting that pay masters here. So we are working for them to send them abroad for a work permit. So now my all these girls, either if they've gone on study visa, if they've gone on a work permit, they're doing really well. I mean, many of them are at elite companies. They are mostly having around 1 crore package, or there are so many testimonials we have posted on our pages.
Wow,
Many
that's
of
so
yeah.
amazing. That's
Yes, yes.
amazing. So, Pratima ji, since you're my perfect woman for now, definitely I'd like to ask you, did you ever thought that you want to enter into such a field? Because, like when it comes to career
Yeah,
guidance, as in, like when we talk about a decade before also, so it was
yeah.
always like, parents used to think about getting their kids into engineering or probably medical field, but you chose a different field, which very
Yes.
few are aware of.
Even you
So,
chose a
how
very
does,
different field.
yes,
Even you
how
chose a
does,
very different field. So I would love to answer this question, of course. See, I'm an only child of my father, and my father has always promoted me to get educated, get a better education. He has always supported me that you should get educated, because if education is there, you rule the world. So from there in my mind, it was always incorporated that yes, if I am educated, I would support that to other ladies also. So
right.
I have been studied from Cummins College of Engineering for Women. It's a girls' college.
Okay.
So it is one of the top-notch college, and I was the coordinator there for the international placements and study abroad projects. And I could see
So
that,
it came in
yeah.
your
So it
it came in
came
your
that
curriculum.
time.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
So it clicked me that time. Why not we send candidates abroad? It is very easy process, but then many of them are not knowing till today
Not knowing.
also.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Even for me, it is new. Until I met with all these people who have been empowering women and they're helping the people for their study abroad. And these days,
Yeah.
everything comes in a vogue actually. So it is
Yes.
something interesting also, definitely. But I feel, like for you, it is such a great platform you've been providing for women who want to achieve something. See, it's about empowering and encouraging by the medium of publication is post you got those achievements,
Yes.
but you have been doing a job which is prior to the achievement, and that is the nerve-wracking job. That's what I said.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But then, ma'am, to be very honest, it is not till recognized. Still, people they don't want to send their girl child abroad. They will feel so many if and but. And there are many things I have to push parents. We have several testimonials wherein the visa is granted, but the father, her father is not allowing her to go abroad because they feel ki, first of all, they'll feel, is it true? She will be getting education for free. Secondly, they don't want their girl child, to go abroad. They'll tell me, ma'am, isse shadi kaun karega if she will be so much educated, so much hi-fi? Who will marry her in our areas? I mean, it will be a big thing for her. So that should get reduced. I mean, you should not think of marriage. You should just first think that your daughter is getting a quality education. She's getting a recognition in
Absolutely.
European ministry. She's been recognized there. So your first thing is to support her, send her, get her quality education. Marriage is a secondary part. It will
These
eventually
days
come.
marriages
Yeah,
don't come in that
yeah,
criteria, to be very
exactly.
honest, because girls today have been smart enough. They have chosen career guidance prior to their marriage and getting settled down, because every individual today wants to be independent, and financial stability is one of the key foundation to be
Of course.
successful for
Of
a
course. And
peaceful life.
yes, and I feel financial again is second thing. If it be educated, your children would be educated. Everything would be educated. Will be able to make right decisions. No one will able to fool you. You will have an IQ levels. There are so many things. Not just a women empowerment, or maybe it's not just that I'm earning very good. I am so good. It's not like that. It is totally different. You have
Absolutely.
a good IQ levels. Money will come eventually. For
Absolutely.
us also, yeah, for me also, the first thing we work is the genuine part. Money will eventually come. If I do good, money will come.
Absolutely.
That's the thing. Yeah.
Absolutely. So, since you started, like, can you just put some light on your organization, how it works? Because as we say, nothing comes for easy. I'm sure about it. You must be facing a lot of challenges. And if you talk about challenges, there are bucket list is there. And how did you sort this out, and how do you overcome all these challenges?
Yeah, the percentage is not satisfactory, but still we meet parents, we call them, we explain them. Now we initially when we started this company, we have sent only 5 candidates abroad. Later on, we have sent 100 candidates. Then it was 300, and now it is the time when we say no, we are full for this year. So growth here, yes, I would not say, but still, we should think. I feel that every woman should go. If you're having this opportunity, you should go. Whenever I
Absolutely.
meet someone, yeah, whenever I meet someone and I tell about my profile, whether in a flight or maybe somewhere, people come and meet me or ask me, they will say, "Ma'am, हमें तो ऐसा पता ही नहीं था, ऐसे होता है."
Absolutely.
You can study free in Italy, or you can study free in Europe. You're paid for your living cost. मुझे कुछ भी नहीं लगेगा. Are you sure? Are you not kidding? Then I have to share her few things that we've done, few testimonials, and then how they'll understand क्योंकि ऐसा है. So it is a very, I would say, time taken process, and there are so many things. Still, it is not to that level.
No,
There,
no,
there's
no. But
there's
I'll
very
tell you
less
one thing.
destination.
Yeah, to my sense, what I can feel it right away is within a few, you can say, short period itself, short time zone itself, you will be
Hmm.
recognized, and this is such a wonderful platform.
Yeah,
Everybody should be aware of it, and it is going to help. See, this is how the economy is going to grow.
correct.
We've been talking about education as the key foundation for every child. This could be the best gift what we can give it for a child, and
Okay.
there are parents who cannot afford them.
Yes.
But if there is a scope where a woman or a child or a guy, it could be for anybody, wants to pursue their career, even if they're having their lack of money, and if there is a way out, why not to explore it?
Correct. And that's what I used to tell in my all webinars, open sessions. कितना फंड लगेगा, फ्लाइट का टिकट क्या लगेगा, फर्स्ट कम एंड अंडरस्टैंड द प्रोसेस. Nowadays, you can easily afford a flight ticket. It's not that costly. It is 25,
Absolutely.
30,000. Yeah, it is
Absolutely.
not that costly. So few things that you have to keep in your mind, and you can go. I'm not saying that you need zero money and then you reach Europe. It's not like that.
That is
But then some
understood.
money you can afford. If you're working in a customer care also, you're paying 40,000 or 30,000 salary you're getting. Use that money, come to us after 6 months, fly. It's very simple.
So true, so true, so true.
Yeah, it will not
Absolutely.
happen that flight tickets also I will give. No, that you
Absolutely.
have
So
to do
there are
something on
some
your own.
basic things. Like you
Yes,
are
and
you are
also
showing.
yeah, and also we are not an NGO that will fund them and will do everything. There are other social responsibilities as well.
Absolutely, but one of the best part is you're showing them a path of
Yes,
success.
exactly,
So
exactly.
and you can just make them stand, and then it is their responsibility to walk in it.
Correct, correct,
One
very true.
and yeah, so this is actually something which I feel like a wonderful idea, and your concept is very nice, very innovative. Though it is like because of technology, probably you might start getting good people around, getting into it more. Because earlier, if you talk about a decade before, there was impossibilities were more because there was no lack of knowledge was there was no conversation. Now consultation also you can do it online also, even this can
Of
help you
course,
out a
of
lot.
course. We have many women from Bangladesh, to be very honest. We have candidates from Pakistan. We have candidates from Nepal. If you go through my Instagram channel, we usually post everything.
Okay.
So we have people all over the Asia, especially Asians and South Africa. A few candidates are there. All are going. But then when you see the count of Indian girls, they're still stuck somewhere. I don't know why.
That's because of the Indian mentality. So we have to
Yes.
accept that we people are still, though we are more towards westernization, still it will take more time for all of
Yes.
us to accept the fact that India is growing. When it comes to fashion and clubbing, that is another part. But yes, this is the teenagers. But the mindset, the old school students are still on a way
Yes.
to improve, even
Yes,
for
and
all of
also
us to be talking about.
the women who are 34 par or who are 36, 37, they wanted to support their family. We have work permits for them. They have to just go and join the job from day one. She'll be paying 1,000 euros, which is 1 lakh of Indian currency, and accommodation is free. That concept also we have, but still,
Mm.
when I got one project wherein I have to give them around 100 females, to be very honest with you, ma'am, we couldn't cater 20 females also like that. Yeah.
but I feel this is something I will definitely love to be a part in this and help you, because it's not just about helping, it's helping all those women who really need a job, who are
Of
willing to be
course.
something, want to support their family, support
Yeah,
their own financial stability. Definitely they should be getting this platform. We will
of
definitely
course.
work on it, and we'll see to it the maximum benefit to the people itself.
Correct.
And yes, so now since we are talking about you, darling, and you're so beautiful, I would have asked you, why don't you get into acting?
Ma'am, I would say this to you that you are so beautiful. In fact, every woman
I'm
is
in the
beautiful.
industry only. I'm in the fashion industry. Yeah, I feel fashion is in me now.
Yeah,
And because we've been in industry for 15 years, this is my 15th anniversary, like 14th anniversary. We are completing
great,
14 years in
great.
the fashion industry. We've been into productions also. My husband has been a part of many like movies like Golmaal, and then many movies like
Great.
family and all. Like, so we have been a part in with this. Right now also we are working on this. We've taken a break for a year. But yes, of course, when it comes to fashion and all, like, I see the women who have already been so talented and so beautiful at the same time. I feel you should be taking an opportunity to give a break for yourself for any fashion. So it's not about acting. It could be for any fashion takes also. You can at least join a fashion shows or somewhere. And Pune is again a booming city these days. So there are so many, and I have a team in Pune itself. So we've been a part in Pune Fashion Weeks also. So I was like looking at you, wow, she's got such a wonderful personality. She should be a part of it as well.
Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Willingly, maybe in the coming years, we will definitely work on that. Because right now, on this all contracts of women empowerment and visas and everything, we're so much occupied. But then, yes,
So
thank you
nice. See,
for
I'll
the
tell you one thing.
opportunity.
When you're beautiful, your heart is beautiful. You have been giving back to society. It is logically you are, like blessed to have that shining beauty in you, and you've been doing such a great job. Since you've been talking about your career guidance and that you've been doing, apart from all these things, Pratima ji, tell me, how do you balance your work life, professional life, hobbies as well?
So I would tell you, I'm a mother of two kids.
I should say you don't look like.
Yeah. So yeah, so I'm a mother of two kids. So yeah, they go to school. So morning 8 o'clock, they leave from their home. So I also leave like around 8:30. I leave from my home. I come by 3:30, and then up to that time only I work. I don't take any walk-ins, anything after 3 o'clock or 3:30. So once they are coming, so all family time, spending with them, teaching them, and so many things comes up. So that is how I balance. And yeah, 8 to 3:30 is more than enough. And I have a team of around 15 staff here. So they are
Okay.
well expertise. They are with us since 5 6 years now. So
So
they are
nice.
expert in that. So I don't have to see so much of it. They are there to handle it, balance it. Like your team, I would say, thanks to one of your coordinator who was in coordination with me. She was absolutely doing a great job. So same staff I also have. They coordinate to do everything. Very less things comes to me. Otherwise, they will not even call also कि मैं message से हो गया. They'll handle on their own.
So nice.
And I'm there to
It's
and
the
I'm
team.
there to see it on the top. So nothing goes wrong. They all are trained like that.
Absolutely, and this goes with your tagline itself. We migrate. A
Imagine.
single
Yes.
person cannot do
Yeah,
anything.
of
It's
course.
always we. It's not
Of
I.
course.
So
Of
I
course. It's a
appreciate
teamwork.
your yes, of course, the team works.
Yes.
Absolutely. Pratima, since like you are completely deviated in your career, your life is focused towards empowering people. And since you are my perfect woman, I'd definitely like to ask you, who is your perfect woman in your life and what did you learn from her? Probably your learnings can be motivation and inspiration for all those women who've been watching you.
Okay. So there are two, three women who are perfect in my terms. One of them is Priyanka Chopra. Of course, I like her so much. The confidence she has, the work she does, and second is Sushmita Sen. The way she is adopted to baby girls is really recommendable. It is not easy to take care of other kids. That is one of the things she has done.
Mhm.
So, my motivation is Priyanka Chopra. I really love the way she has put on, being from Bareilly, a very small town. She has worked so great. So, yeah, she's my motivation. That someday I wanted to talk like her. I wanted to talk in TED Talks and so many places wherein we can just,
Absolutely,
elaborate what work we are doing and we get this recognition like that.
absolutely,
I cannot
absolutely.
become a Miss World today, but then yes, somewhere we can work like that so that the tag comes intact to it.
Absolutely. And you got a good voice also. because you can speak up. The words matter, how you talk about. And
Of
since you have
course.
been doing an empowerment, yes, of course, there are so many words which will be, like you can say the ball of the court, and definitely it's going to work wonders for
Yeah.
you.
More
So I'm
than
sure
that, ma'am,
about it.
we
You very
have.
soon you get an opportunity to talk about yourself and what are your plans and what can be benefited by others as well.
Sorry, repeat your question. There was an error. There
Yeah,
was some
it's
technical error. Can you just repeat
no,
the
I
question?
was just trying to tell you that very soon you'll be getting an opportunity where you can raise your voice, spread
Of
the
course.
voice that is in your ears, of course, and you get in space where you can explain people what exactly how
Correct.
they can benefit their own lives. If see, we all are here for a purpose. It's very important
Correct.
to figure out the right way.
Correct.
And in your case, it's like opportunity knocking a door. It's all up to them whether you accept or not. That's what
Correct.
I can relate to. That's what I can relate to the way you've been expressing the ideology about your organization that has been working. That's so nice and wonderful. Okay, Pratima ji, since we have been talking about, that's what I said. You are uh, a personality who can definitely give up strong opinions for others as well. So definitely, what would be those three life lessons that you'd like to share with all of us?
Uh, Three life lessons of my life. There are many lessons. At this young age, I have experienced so many good things and so many worse things in my life. But then I would just say one thing that you should always respect to your parents. Your parents are everything. Of course, nothing comes against with your family. Family is first. I'm a married woman. When I was not married, my father was supporting me like anything, and today my husband is supporting me like anything. We
So
work together.
nice.
So the main director is my I'm the co-founder of We Migrate India. So that is one of the things that you should keep your limits, and you will do wonders. If you're going out of the limit, then yes, no one will support you. So
True.
just take care of your family. Family is first, business is second. Anything is secondary. Your family is first. That is one of the lesson I have learned in my life. There were some times I was like, no, no, Papa, mujhe to yahi karna hai. I want to go this only. And then there were little problems between us. But then later on, I realized that he was right. Parents are always right. So
Yes.
that is one of the lesson I would say. Second thing is be honest, whatever it is. We will go long term if you're honest to your work. If you're doing a genuine work, you will go long term. There's nothing that you are fooling XYZ for a short term benefit. It will not come. So whenever someone is coming in my office, I talk to them very transparently. Boss, ye visa hoga, ye nahi hoga. If this is not the way, then this is the way. Go this way. Go this thing. Go this thing. But I would not say, "Acha, acha, आपका तो हो जाएगा." Fine, fine. We will do that. No, I don't want to do that. I want to be very honest with my clients. If they work with me, it's fine. If they don't work, at least they will not say a bad name for me that I met to
Absolutely.
Pratima and she was talking anything which is not possible, unrealistic women. I don't want that. So whenever I get a feedback from my market, people just say कि if we migrate ने बोल दिया है कि आपका काम नहीं होगा, that means नहीं होगा. And if she has said कि ऐसे होगा तो ऐसे ही होगा. So I want to keep that
Right.
thing forever in my life. Be honest. That's it. That is
Yes,
very
of course.
important.
That's so nice.
And thirdly,
That's so nice.
yeah, and you've asked me three things. So thirdly, I would say don't go much behind the money. Money will come eventually if you do good. It is not like that कि आप कुछ भी करो, but then you do good. You do be passionate about your work. I am doing good today. We are doing very great in the market. If you just see our name in immigration and study visa, it was just happening because we were very honest, of course, and we never run on the wrong paths. So that is how it
Understood.
is.
So
Yes, yes.
nice.
So money will
That's
come
so nice and
eventually.
wonderful.
Yeah.
Absolutely. It's lovely to be connecting with a personality who has been so focused and
Yes.
so
I'm
dedicated towards
passionate,
the
ma'am. Basically,
organization.
I'm passionate about my work. Why we've been growing so much in the past 3 4 years, because we are passionate. We love people to send. We love people to talk. We give them free counseling. We give them free guidance. We don't charge anything for that. So that's a passion. So
So
passion
how can
should
a
be there.
person, absolutely, I'll push you for this now.
Yeah.
How can a person connect to you if somebody is willing to get into it?
Ma'am, my phone number, contact numbers are everywhere. We're on the website. We have our Instagram channel. We have our YouTube channel. We are there on all social medias. It is very easy to connect to me. And my personal number is everywhere. So if something happens from my staff, also people can call me directly. Ki ma'am, mujhe information nahi mili. Please give me. So either I'll connect someone or I'll myself I'll talk to them. So my number is
That's
everywhere.
so
It's not
nice.
like that I
Yeah,
don't share
so
my number. It is a
Just a
game.
call away.
Yes, yes, just a caller.
Absolutely, absolutely,
Yes, yes.
absolutely. So well. So definitely, I'm going to be adding your Insta ID and this. No wonders, will be collaboration में तो जाएगा ही. We'll
Of
see to it
course.
that maximum people connect to you. All the very best from me and the entire team of Perfect Women. It's lovely connecting to you. I feel very soon
Same
I'll
here,
be
ma'am.
catching you back again,
Of course. Same
getting in
here,
more and
ma'am.
more
It was a
valuable
pleasure
things.
talking to you. At least you have recognized the work we've been doing, and it is a wonderful platform to just
Yes, of
focus the
course
things.
it is. It is, and you are really doing something which is a need today. See, every individual today wants to fly away for the job purposes, or like we've been seeing, so, but they don't know the right direction for this. And
Correct.
somewhere the way you said you have been giving free consultation, you're guiding them,
Yeah, of course.
and lack of knowledge is the first priority, and that is what something you are helping them to get into, to
Yeah,
gain the talent,
I would definitely
gain
tell
the
you,
art.
please go through the testimonials. 10 testimonials, if you'll see, you will understand that we are working something very genuine and something very good.
Yes, of
Some
course.
few
And more
testimonials.
than,
Yeah.
yes, of course. More than testimony, I feel your words matter.
Yeah.
The way you have been talking, your words will definitely weigh a lot. And it will help people to uplift their career guidance. That is what is the need for today. So I'll just
Correct.
see to it that maximum you get all the very best. And I
Thank you,
really wish a lot of
ma'am.
success for you and your future goals.
Yes, ma'am.
Catch you
Thank
very
you.
soon.
Thank you
You're
so
a very
much.
sweet
Best
personality. I liked
wishes.
your
Yeah.
career.
Thank you.
And I really like you also. So all the very best. God bless you,
Thank you,
dear.
ma'am. Thank
Take,
you, ma'am. Same to you. Good
take,
day. Thank you.
take
Bye.
care. Good day. Bye.